Hi kids, how are you? Hope you are all fine and good. Today in this video we will learn EVS lesson number 2, My Beloved Motherland. Children, what is the name of our country? Yes, India. Very good. We are all Indians, isn't it? Our state name is Tamil Nadu. In this lesson we are going to learn about national days, national leaders and national and state symbols and caring for public property. First, let's learn about national days and national leaders. Children, when do we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, August 15th. Very good. For many years, our country India was ruled by another country called Britain. We became free from their rule on August 15th, 1947. So, every year we celebrate this day as Independence Day. Next, our own last, that is Constitution of India, came into force on 26th January 1950. It is celebrated as Republic Day. Do you know, children, who was the first President of India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first President of India. Okay, children. At present, who is the President of India? Do you know that? Okay, Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay. Many leaders worked hard to make India independent. Two important leaders among them were Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi is affectionately remembered by all of us as Bapu, and he is the father of our nation. He followed the path of non-violence. He led a simple life and always spoke the truth. His birthday 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Children, when do we celebrate Children's Day? Yes, November 14th. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children. He was lovingly known as Chacha Nehru. His birthday 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. Kids, have you seen our national flag? Yes, we have seen our national flag in our school, isn't it? Every Monday in our school, we hoist national flag with due respect, right? It is called as the tricolor. It is rectangular in shape. It has 3 equal bands of different colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice. White means truth and peace. Green stands for prosperity. The navy blue wheel in the center of the white band is called Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes which stand for progress and values. Now let's see national and state symbols. This is our national emblem and this is our Tamil Nadu state emblem. Our national animal is tiger and our national river is Ganges. See children, what is this? Yes, peacock. It is our national bird. Yeah, this is the banyan tree, is our national tree. Lotus is our national flower. Mango is our national fruit. Do you know children, the dolphin of the Ganges river is the national aquatic animal of India. These are our state symbols of Tamil Nadu. State animal, Nilgiri tar. State flower, Glorisa lily. State bird, emerald dove. State tree, palm tree. State game, kabaddi. State fruit, jackfruit. Next, we gonna see our responsibility to care for public property. It is our duty to keep our country neat and clean. Some places and things like public toilets, roads, street taps, parks, hospitals, schools, and classrooms are used by all of us, isn't it? So we should have responsibility to keep them neat and clean. We should not spit in public places. Do not scribble on walls. We should not throw waste in public places. We must use public toilets instead of using the roads and open places. Children, we must obey our rules and regulations like form a queue and maintain silence in the public library and should not tear and scribble in the books. Okay, so kids, you should also follow these rules and regulations throughout in your life. Keep your surroundings neat and clean to lead a healthy life. Thank you, children. Bye bye.